Hi guys, if you are looking for a tutorial on making a simple DIY gift with simple, cheap, and easy to get ingredients, I will show you how to make it in this video. The materials you'll need are craft paper, blue HVS paper, white HVS paper, marker, black pen, white pen, colored pencils, ribbon, scissors, cutter, ruler, eraser, styrofoam glue. So as you can see, I've already made the sketch using a pencil. Then I outlined it with a marker. The colored pencils I used are classic ones. But if you have watercolor pencils, that would be even better. I drew it on HVS paper, so when the drawing was finished, I cut it out. Ta-da! The first cut is done. I'm going to draw the bottle with colored pencils. Sometimes you need to add pressure with the pencil to make the colors stand out. You have to be patient until you find the gradient you want. If you've already drawn the bottle, don't forget to cut it out. Then, stick it onto the blue HVS paper. Let's draw the flower. Let's draw the green one. Cut a small piece of paper and then write on it using a pen. Roll the paper from the left and right sides. All finished. Now you can give this as a gift to your loved ones. Comment down below if you want me to make another DIY tutorial. Love DIY crafts? You can get them from my Instagram at mycrafthearts.